Hello and welcome. My name is Tom Varney, CEO and founder here at Clean Fortune. And today I want to tell you a little bit about who we are here at Clean Fortune and what we do and what our mission is. So Clean Fortune was really thought about and came to be from the idea of allowing cleaning businesses to really find financial success in their given markets. So with Clean Fortune as a brand, what we do is we help cleaning businesses with effective, clean, professional websites and using best of class, industry-leading marketing tactics and strategies to be able to actually grow their cleaning business. Now, the two, of course, go hand in hand. As far as our experience, we have helped cleaning businesses over the years generate more than 20,000 leads for their businesses. We've spent many tens of millions of dollars online, helping businesses grow via Google ads, via Facebook ads, via SEO and beyond. And we want to share that valuable insight with you as a cleaning business owner to be able to help you excel and be able to help you accelerate your growth and be able to increase your revenue and be able to grow your business and be able to find that financial success and be able to really just take your business and your life to that next level with the tools that we do provide. And again, here at Clean Fortune, our real goal over the next couple of years is to allow more than 1,000 cleaning business owners to triple their revenue for their cleaning business. Now, it's going to be a challenge, it's going to be a tough goal, but we're going to do it. We're going to help you cleaning business owners to really achieve that goal and help you unlock, that real potential that you have in your business.